Hey folks, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. I certainly am. Welcome to the new year. This is the first video I'm filming this year. First video that I'm going to be filming officially on this camera as well. Yeah, and it's going to be an office tour. I'm going to be touring my office. Yeah, and we're going to do that. Reason I'm doing this as the first video that I'm filming with this camera is because 5 years ago, which 2020 was 5 years ago now, that's crazy. 5 years ago, I got my old camera, my Canon Legria HFR806, I think it was. Yeah, and I got that, and the first video I made with that was an office tour. If I still have the video, which I probably do, then post a bit of it.
We're doing a video that's actually filmed in the present. Yay.
So yeah, I'm going to do an office tour, because I usually do that as the first video when I get the new camera. So we're going to continue the tradition, and we're going to do it as I would have done it. So we're going to do it, we're going to do that. So yeah, let's get into it. We're starting off in the corner of the room. That's the door. And I've never really filmed handheld with this camera before, and it's annoying because I've got loads of wires around me. Underneath there's tons of old stuff like, I don't even know, PS2, NES, etc. I'm not even going to show you it because it will take forever and I've got to get it all out and put it all back, and it's really dusty and that's annoying. But yeah, in there is my Laserdisc collection. I'll give you the little tour of my Laserdisc collection. Yeah, we got a Wallace and Gromit one. We got Blackadder, the first series. Back to the Future 1, 2, 3, and the behind the scenes one. Balto, Star Wars, and Star Wars. What's that? Batman? Which Batman is that? Batman Forever. Then we got The Nutty Professor. The Bean movie. Not the one where he goes to Paris. The one with the painting. Then we got The Mask, widescreen edition. Of course. Jumanji. Not the new one, obviously, because they wouldn't have made that one on Laserdisc. Then we got probably the worst movie of all time, Batman and Robin. This one's really bad. Like, the movie itself sucks. Yeah, also, this has something called disc rot, which is awful, and it's a problem. So yeah. Then last but not least, we have The Lion King in pretty much perfect condition. That's great. It's even got the THX logo on it, look. Yeah, so that's The Lion King on, I was going to say VHS then, it's not. It's on Laserdisc, and look. It's even got the THX logo still on it, which is great. Then after the Laserdisc collection, this is interesting, this stuff. So this stuff here, from top to bottom, we got my old school bag that I used for ages, and it sucks. I'm pretty sure it has a hole in it somewhere. Or maybe it doesn't. There used to be a hole. This is a costume I wore in year 11. Is that spider webs? Is there a big spider? I had a big spider in this room once. It crawled along here. I was sat here on my phone watching TikTok or YouTube or something. The spider crawled its way up there, and then started climbing up there. And it started going and going. Then it fell off and made a little on the floor. And I heard it. I turn over, and then I hear this thing like on the floor. And I'm like, oh my god, is that a big spider? I turn the light on, and there's a massive spider trying to crawl up there. And I was like, you know what, this is a good idea. I'll kill it, and then I'll get rid of it. So I did. I like undid the mouse and like I swung it at the spider, and I killed it. And then I chucked it out the window. I just scooped it up into a glass and I chucked it out the window. Yeah, that was from a Year 11 drama performance. It actually went well, unlike other drama performances that I've done. What we had to do for this performance, we had to read a script from an existing play and perform it. So this is the costume, because me and my friend that did this, we were performing from the script for, we had to do 2 extracts for script. We did a play called Blood Brothers, and we had to perform 2 extracts from a script from that play. And this is the costume that I wore in one of those scenes. I don't have the video, unfortunately, because the teacher never sent it to me. And I played Eddie. There was Eddie and Mickey, I think, and I played Eddie, who's like a smart boy. So I made him wear one of these. Anyway, that's that. And then there's this. This thingy, this thing is, shall I get it out and show you? Yeah, let's get it out and show. I was going to make a video on this actually, but then I had an issue with it, which I'm going to show you. Oh, am I going to turn it on? I'll turn it on. I'll do it. I'll turn it on. But this is it. It's a 16mm film projector. But this is it, and I'm going to switch it on if it still works, because I haven't used it in forever. There you go. A film projector. 16mm. And it has issues. Yeah, we have issues with it. The sound doesn't work. So if anyone knows how the sound should work, or what they can do to fix the sound on one of these things, I'll show you what happens though with the sound. It doesn't work, but the speaker comes on, or this thingy, the, what's that called, exciter lamp comes on. So I'm going to switch it on, if I can find the switch. Okay, it still works. Yeah, see, the exciter lamp comes on. That's weird, isn't it? But the speaker doesn't work, and it's weird. And I don't understand. I smell fire. If my house catches fire, call 999. Yeah, there we go. Exciter lamp. Right, I'm going to switch it on and see if it still works. Oh, it does. It still works. Yeah, this thingy turns. I'm going to open this thing. Should you? Yeah, that smells like fire. There's a massive, like, air. There's air here. Why? Why is there air? See if the bulb still works. Oh, that's bright. Yeah, it still works. It still works fine. I'm going to switch that off now because that's annoying me. Yeah, it works, but the sound doesn't work. Actually, I do. I have a film and I played it and the sound didn't work. I had the volume all the way up. I had the treble and the bass up as well, and it didn't work. So if anyone is an expert in knowing how to fix projectors, like this one, this is Bell & Howell model 1695, if you know how to fix it, tell me. I have a video somewhere of it working. Yeah, and that's that projector, so that works and that's cool. This is the next bit. This is my lovely chest of drawers and the hi-fi on top of it. Hi-fi is great, but fast forward and rewind doesn't work. I don't know what the problem is, and I don't really care what the problem is. Here is my main working space. Most of my videos have been filmed here, or most of my vlogging videos even, have been filmed here. So yeah, this table, it's been through a lot, seen a lot of stuff, and it's seeing a future video project which involves this controller. Involves a new game that I'm going to be playing, which is great. That's some books. This book's really cool. I like that one. Got it for Christmas. It's a really good book. And then we got underneath the table, which is just video projects that I was going to do and then completely forgot. So we've got the iMac G3. It's Revision 8. It's from 1998, so it's the original one. It's in really good condition. It works fine as far as I know, but I have noticed it's developing a problem with the CRT, which is exactly what the problem is with this one, is it's got the exact same problem. Over here, this is like my console media entertainment center. So we've got my TV, which I've used in loads of videos over the years. We've had this TV for like 10 years now. It's been fine, it's been great. And yeah, it's pretty good. Then we got my GameCube. I've had, well, this particular one I've had for a year and a half. But the one before it that I had, the one that I only had it for 6 months, because I broke it. I went to mod it, and I tore a pin off that I wasn't supposed to tear off, and I broke it. So we bought that one that's already pre-modded, so that's great. Underneath the top layer, we have my Laserdisc player, but I've already talked about that in another video, so there you go. I have Batman Arkham Asylum on Xbox, some remotes, and then underneath that I have my PS3 Slim, because I got a PS3 Slim after my fat PS3 died. Then I've got my VCR DVD player combo. I have so much stuff. And then we have my Xbox One X and my Xbox 360. That there is my clapper board that I used to use for syncing up video on my videos. Yeah, I stopped using that because it was just a pain in the ass to use. Yeah, it would always get sort of caught on those wires down there, and it always got caught, and it was so annoying. So yeah, there we go. In here, not a lot of people know what's in here. I don't think anyone knows what's in here, in fact. Ta-da! It's a mess. It's an absolute mess. If you looked through that thoroughly enough, you would find stuff from videos from a long time ago. Okay, that's as far up as it goes. But it's in there. The VCR that I had showcased on a video so long ago. Right, now I'm scared. I don't know what to do now. Copyright proprietors and this. There's also just tons of stuff in there that I really don't know what it. Oh, this the laptop, the old laptop that I used. That you can't even see. There's also stuff up there. I don't even know what half of that stuff is up there. I can see my motherboard box. There is. There's also the box for the camera there. There's a VCR there, an old computer there. It's just a mess, basically. The next bit is where I actually film my videos, which is here. And yeah, everything to do with the video making process is done here. That's it. It's like, and it takes so long. It takes like hours, like 5 hours maximum, to make, edit and release a video. Sometimes even days. I filmed a Half-Life 2 video months ago, and I haven't even uploaded it yet. That's how, like, odd, that's how slowly some things go. That's pretty much it, apart from all the stuff that's there. I'm not even going to go through it because there's so much of it, but have a little look at it if you want to. Then there's the second shelf, which is basically just more rubbish and stuff that I've showcased in other videos. And then there's the stuff on the top shelf, but that kind of sucks. Yeah, so that was this video. I was just sort of filming my office tour, and that's pretty much everything. There is more stuff, but that isn't in this room, so, and that's just other stuff that I've got that I don't have in my room anymore. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe, whatever, and I will see you guys in the next video, where I'm going to be starting to upload some stuff that I've been filming already, filming prior to this. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye guys, goodbye.